Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to see what are the different literary devices used in poem, and we are going to see the different types. Here we are going to discuss 5 types, and we will be seeing a poem where these are being used, and we will see the difference between them. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy this content, and share this with your friends. Also, comment your feedback in the comment section about the video. Let's begin. So literary device, what it means. So basically, when you say it is literary device, these are the tools that are being used by the writer to enhance their writing, also to add emotions to the poem, and it also helps you to make it a stylistic, and it also helps you to add structure to your poem. So these are being classified into many, but we are going to discuss here 5. So let's see what are they. First one we have already discussed in another video, simile and metaphor. This topic is there as a video in the playlist. Please do go and check it out there. There you can find what a simile is, what a metaphor is, and their differences and exercise based on that. Here, simply to say, simile means it is a comparison where we usually use like or as. Metaphor is another type of comparison, but it doesn't use any of the like or as. It doesn't differentiate first object and the second object. Rather, it says first object is itself the second object. Okay. One is personification. It means the human traits are given to non-human things. For example, some human traits like smiling, laughing, crying, and all the emotions and anything that a human does is given to any of the non-human things. Like it can be given to a chair. The chair is running. So that means it is personification. The chair is being given the quality of the human that is running. Okay, this type of example is personification. Now let's see what is alliteration. So alliteration is very easy to understand. It says repetition of the beginning sounds. The same sound is being repeated throughout the line. So that kind of repetition is known as alliteration. Next or the last classification for the video is hyperbole. It means it is something that is deliberate exaggeration. So much of exaggeration is there for any of the item or object or any of the scenario. Let's see a poem where this is being explained. So the whispers of the summer storm is poem is given here, where you can see different lines. Let's read the first line. The sky cracked like glass in a giant's fist. Giant's fist is being compared to sky, which cracked like the glass. Okay, so sky cracked like a glass in a giant's fist. Okay, so the word like is being used here. So this kind of comparison uses like, and we call it a simile, like or as. Okay, so sky is compared to the glass in a giant's fist. Okay, next one is as thunder growled and clouds were kissed. So this character is given to your thunder. We can say thunder has this quality of growled. So we can say it is a kind of personification. Next comes the heavens pour the storm like a crown, while angry beast came rumbling down. So angry beast came rumbling down. So it the beasts are being compared to came the way to fight. Okay, so that uses a metaphor here. Next one is the wind whispered warnings through trembling trees, pulling their arms with desperate pleas. So pulling their arms through trembling trees, pulling their arms. So the comparison is given to a non-human thing. The wind is pulling the hands or the arms with desperate plea. So here personification trait is used. Next one is dark drops trumped on the dusty drive. So you can see similar sound is being used everywhere. So we call it as alliteration. Below also you can see dancing, dashing, dangerously alive. So alliteration comes here in this case. Next one is it rained a billion gallon or more. So again you can say it is personification, hyperbole, because so much of exaggeration is done. The flood of fury, no one could ignore. So the flood is meant as the flood of fury, okay, which is so much of exaggeration given to uh, the fury, being furious, okay. So that is hyperbole. But then silence, a calm so sweet, the storm had vanished in quick retreat. Okay, so these are the 5 types of literary devices that we have seen in a poem. Hope this was clear to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share this with your friends, and also type your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.